Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABIL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Overall, though, a pretty nasty looking chart. I won't say that the chart's totally destroyed because that wouldn't be fair. But yeah, I mean, when you consider where the price gapped up and that the majority of the volume, so right here, think about this. There's the first 30 minutes of volume, and that is the range where that volume all took place. And then you look at where the price ultimately closed, and from that range, it just drifted lower and lower and lower. So all those people that were buying that big old volume bar, all those people are quite a bit underwater right now, which is why I would say the chart's pretty nasty, but there is still that opportunity to build a higher base, and this is why I would consider this 50-cent mark very, very important going forward, because from the big picture point of view, you could have something like this where so far, as the price has already been doing, just bouncing, continue, or it's been bouncing, so if that continues, and then eventually the price starts to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, you would have a set of lows right here. You would have this set of lows down here. You would even have some little lows down there. And if you envision each of the stair steps, well, at least at that point, from the big picture point of view, you'd still have progress being made in the upwards direction. Whereas on the flip side, if the price crashes down through 50, well, then at that point, you would literally have the price right back to where it was before the the big movement even happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly the sign of any sort of genuine power, true strength, or anything like that. So again, yeah, is the chart looking pretty nasty? Is it pretty rough? Absolutely. But 50 cents still has the opportunity to show that the price can, build an overall higher base and maybe eventually turn things around. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.